Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can translate a document on Google Docs. Super simple. You're just going to go to tools and then translate document. You can name it translate copy of this document, or you can just name it something else. Choose a language. I'm just going to choose Indonesian for mine. Then you're just going to select translate, and it's going to translate and make a copy of like the document that you've translated, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!